Hello, in this video I want to show the productivity tricks on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Alright, first let's open up our settings. Now scroll down until you find accessibility features. And when it comes to the productivity, let's open up the multi-window. Thanks to that, we have features such as multi-window dock, the floating windows, and the multi-window dock. I'm sorry, we have the split screen. My bad. Let's begin with it. Split screen allows us to open apps at the same time, two of them. And it's best for multitasking. So first we need to select first app. Remember that not each app allows you to use the split screen mode. But for example, the Notepad allows us to do it. Now to enter the split screen mode, we need to hold from the downside and slide to the top left corner. Now release. Oh my god. Not that. Now select the second app. For example, I often use the calculator. And now you can see that the screen has been perfectly split in half. Now above we can start creating and taking notes, and down below we can quickly count something, and it's really fast. We don't need to each time, switch between notes and calculator to do our stuff. We can simply open them at the same time using the split screen mode, and it's much more comfortable. When it comes to the split screen mode itself, we can adjust the size of those apps. We need to grab this gray bar in the middle, just like that, and now we can change the size. If you click, you can change the size of those apps. And if you are using this preset in split screen mode, I'm talking about notes and calculator, you can save it as a combo, which is basically a shortcut. So now, thanks to that we have created a shortcut, we don't need to, each time open notes, then look for the calculator. Now we simply have the shortcut, we tap on that, and both apps open in the split screen mode. Really useful thing. Okay, now let's go with floating windows. We can also open them from the level of recent apps. You can click on that icon and the app opens. We can also slide from the downside of the screen into right corner, now release, and the app also opens in the floating window. We can adjust the size if we grab on the edge. We can change its position on the screen if you grab this thin blue bar. Place it anywhere you want on the screen. We can also minimize the icon. Now it's sticked into the edge of our screen. If you tap on that, it appears. If you want to open in the full screen, click on this icon in the top left corner. It is really cool because now, as you can see, we can still do our other stuff on the phone. For example, we can surf the internet and take notes at the same time. So it's pretty cool thing. And now let's go with the multi-dock. To open it, we need to slide from the edge of the screen, and this bar appears, as you can see. Now, if you click on one of those apps that are in this bar, it will open in the floating window. You can also click on those 4 squares on the downside, and in here you can see all apps that you can launch using the multi-dock. If you click on the plus button, you can edit this bar. So for example, I don't want browser and files in here. Instead of them, I want recorder and, for example, weather. To save it, click this blue button. Okay, we also have the Super Hub, which is pretty cool thing. It allows us to copy the things and keep them in that hub in case we want to copy them later. we can copy the text and also the images. Let me show you how that works. I'll open up the browser and I need to find something with the text. So I need to accept. Now I will copy some text. First select it. Now hold it using your finger and you can drag it into your Super Hub, as you can see. Now let's do the same thing but with the photo. Place it. And now, as you can see, those two things are stacked in the Super Hub. So now I can exit the browser and let's say I want to copy that photo and text into notes. I'll create a new one. I open up the hub. I grab the text. I put it in the notes. You can see that it has been successfully pasted. And now let's do the same thing with the photo. Boom. Click on allow. And everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.